I'm gonna cut out this pattern piece. Okay, so our seam line from raw edge to raw edge is exactly 5 inches. I don't always trust my printers. Sometimes I accidentally hit scale, so it's not a bad idea to check this measurement. Be extremely accurate though, if you're gonna try to check it. Yeah, mine is exactly 5 inches. So now I need a rectangle that's 5 inches long as well. I'm gonna make my rectangle about 3 inches wide. Okay, great. So now I have a 5-inch sew line that I'm gonna sew to a 5-inch sew line. And because we're learning, it's probably a good idea to draw my sew line on this curve, because I know my sew line's 5 inches, but that means that my actual raw edge is gonna be less than 5 inches. That gets a little bit confusing. So since this is a learning environment, why not just go ahead and draw the sew line just so we can make sure we're in control, that we're sewing in the right spot. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna sew this 5-inch curve to this 5-inch line here that's 1/2 inch away from the raw edge, and we're gonna have ourselves a flounce. Okay, so next I'm gonna take right sides. So the shiny side on this fabric is the correct side. Same with this, and I'll line them up. Now to make this easier, since like I've talked about already, the seam allowance is 4 inches and something, and not 5. To get it to spread, if I just kind of clip my seam allowance, I don't wanna go past my sew line, because then you're gonna see a hole in my garment. But if I just clip it, now when it lays all flat, you know, it's gonna be 4 inches and something. But when I pull it straight, that seam allowance spreads open. So hopefully it makes the raw edge, you know, be able to match this 5 inches better. And then this way I can just start pinning it to get that 5 inches to fit perfectly. And I think it's gonna be pretty easy. Okay, here we go. Voila, we have our flounce. Very exciting. There it is. We should probably hem the bottom, you know, finish the waistband. So many things we can do, but you get the idea. There is the flounce.